What's up guys, Derek Johnson of the Freedom Factory here. Today I'm just showing you another conversion using Chirply, using the outgoing IVR feature. If you get any value out of this, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for future videos, and hit that bell if you want to be notified whenever I drop a new training video. That being said, let's jump right into this call. From outgoing IVR. Hello?
Hey, what's going on, Derek? This is Curtis.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, so so I'm going to get signed up, and then you're going to have to show me how you set up that IVR to do that.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
The other thing I definitely did. Because then I could transfer, because it says you can use up to two, two sub-users? Or actually, I'm gonna probably go into silver, so I can do up to 5 sub users. So I can have an IVR go directly to someone else. Then have they dial in that number?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, slick. Okay, so I know I have to do the Twilio. That's gonna be next. So you just have to go on there, that site where you sent me that says Twilio / pricing.
Yep.
And just hit the sign up button and sign up for it.
Actually, wait until you sign up for Chirply, because I actually give you $10 in credits on the other side. So if you sign up through, yeah, I have a referral link, so you'll get $10 to get started on Twilio.
Okay, I'm gonna let me get that done right now, because I want to set it. And built into the system, do you have the ability to send out text and make sure everything's working properly before you actually create campaigns and do that stuff?
Yeah, just create yourself as a contact. And then you can just text yourself. You can try your IVRs and all that stuff.
Okay, great. All right, well, let me get signed up, man. I appreciate all your help, and after the experience I had before, this is like
yeah,
this is 10 times better, man. So let me get all signed up, man. I appreciate your responsiveness, and I'll get signed up, and then I'm definitely gonna have questions in regards to the Twilio, because I'm gonna get that done, and then I want to get signed up for that. So will you send an email for that? Is that how that works?
Just after the sign up page, there'll be a button you can click, and it's kind of flashing arrows, kind of directing you there. So you click that button, it'll take you to Twilio. You just create your account. You start out on a trial account of Twilio, so you'll want to upgrade to the full account to be able to get all the features for Chirply. And then basically once that's done, you'll get your authentication tokens from Twilio. And basically you just copy and paste those into Chirply. When you go to settings and Twilio, there's 2 spots. You'll see a live sender ID and a Twilio live token. So you just copy and paste those in. Then you hit save. And then from there, you can use Chirply completely. You can buy phone numbers straight through Chirply and all that stuff.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, great. I'm gonna get that going now, and then I'll definitely touch bases when I get that completed.
All right. Sounds good. Let me know if you have any questions.
Thanks for your time. Okay.
Yep. Bye.
I sure will. Thanks.